Everything I'm doing is perfectly legal. Name and badge number, like you're required to give per 02.4 of your, what do you call it?
Before you start all that, depends on who you talk to, I guess, right?
Oh, yeah, I guess so. All right, so are we done with this consensual conversation yet? Because I haven't done anything, so okay. I'm not detained right now.
No, you can leave.
I'm going to park, and then I'm going to walk away. I don't know if that's illegal. Is that illegal? I can do that, right?
Okay.
This is public parking, right?
Yes. Town property, yes.
Public parking, yes. Right. It's paid for by the citizens, me.
Yeah. I right, you're trying to bullshit a bullshit. You're not happening today, Chief.
I understand who you are.
It don't matter who I am. I can be saying, I can stand right here.
When I pulled up.
Imagine standing in a public place, minding your own business, and suddenly, officers show up, demanding your ID, questioning your actions, and treating you like a suspect. No crime committed, no law broken, just a camera in your hand. In today's episode, we witness law enforcement officers who either don't understand the Constitution or choose to ignore it, demanding identification, making unlawful detentions, and even attempting to intimidate citizens into compliance. But here's the question: what happens when they encounter someone who knows their rights? Let's dive in and see how these interactions unfold.
Really? 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 You're going to blow through the stop sign? Really?
I'm going to check on you, see what you're doing, that's fine.
Okay, yeah, you still have to obey the law.
You know what?
Everything I'm doing is perfectly legal. Name and badge number, like you're required to give per 02.4 of your, what do you call it?
Before you start all that, you came here because you're acting suspicious.
Suspicious? Is that a misdemeanor or a felony in the state of Florida, sir? What's your name and badge number? Yep, perfectly legal. Even says so in the bolo. Even says so in the bolo. Go ahead and take a picture. It's your First Amendment right.
So what's your deal, man?
My deal is the fact that you guys constantly break the law and you guys don't hold yourselves accountable, and it's bullcrap.
I'm trying to get here because people are calling about it.
And you know what? It's not a crime.
You know what? We don't know it's a crime until we get here. So
Horseman?
Take whatever you got going on here.
Can I get your ID number? You're required to by 0.24 or 02.4
I understand that.
Well, you haven't given it to me yet. I've asked.
Because I'm not ready. I'm not done with you yet.
What have I done?
Why are you here?
Am I being detained?
Am
I being detained?
You came up to me, bro.
Yeah, because you blew through the stop sign.
Yeah, you're being detained because people are calling on you because they think you're
and guess what? It's perfectly legal, and on the back it says press. Wow.
That's a good one.
It's a good one, yeah, because everybody says the right to be the press. First Amendment
honestly,
Constitution.
What's your deal, though? What are you doing?
I'm curious as to why you guys constantly...
No, stop. No, stop.
I'm not stopping. No. You're a public servant.
You better answer my question.
I don't have to answer your questions.
Yeah, I do. We got here.
Really?
We got a call for you because you're wearing a bulletproof vest.
It's not a bulletproof vest. It is a tactical vest.
You never stop talking, do you?
Because this is bullshit line of questioning.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
People called on you, so we come.
You know what the nice thing is? I don't have to answer your questions. What's your badge number?
I'll give you my badge number when I'm done with you.
You are required per 02.4 of your...
We know that.
Okay, so why haven't you done it?
Because I'm not done questioning you. Why are you here?
So you're wasting resources. You're gonna let them know that you blew through the stop sign?
This is what you wanted?
No, I want to be able to do this without hassle. That is what I want.
No, you're hassling us.
I'm not hassling you guys. I'm taking photos. I'm taking photos of you guys blowing through stop signs, not obeying the speed limit, etc.
Coming here trying to get here fast because we don't know what you're doing.
Taking pictures, is that a crime?
See, why you're not answering my questions?
Name and badge number, please. You're required to per 02.4 of your... No, what's your name?
It's Marada, 2903.
2903, yeah. Thank you very much.
I answered the deputy's questions. Yeah, I guess he had a question.
I have answered his questions. He asked what I was doing.
I've seen you, but I've never met you.
Well, nice to meet you. I'm James. But I'm pretty sure you read the bolo. So anyway, no. I observed this deputy going through the stop sign. Okay. I came over here after I noticed he blew through the stop sign. I took a photo and I said, really?
Yeah.
And then he stopped.
Okay, I'm going to explain why we're here.
Yeah.
We're here for a person wearing a bulletproof vest.
Is that illegal in the state of Florida?
At this hour, I would say that's a little unreasonable, and it could be suspicious nowadays with a thing that's, if you watch the news and you see what's going on,
yeah,
I would definitely say that's
statistically put up.
And that's why we're here, and we come in force so to make sure our deputies are safe.
I'm sorry, what was your name and badge number, sir?
Lester.
Lester? ID number? 3737. Thank
So
you.
you go about doing what you're going to do, and we're going to go about doing what we do, protecting and serving the public. Okay?
Which is supposed to be enforcing the law. And unless I've broken a law, you guys are here
have a good
on your
day.
own. Thank you. You too.
This is called a call for service, and now it's been cleared. It's not a problem. There's nobody that's dangerous to anybody.
Thank you. I've been
Correct.
doing this for years.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you. You guys too. Stay safe. Please stop for stop signs. Obey the traffic laws. Thank you. Actually, no, you still haven't given me your ID number.
3089. You got that?
3089? Thank you.
If today's encounters prove anything, it's that police accountability is more important than ever. Too many officers rely on intimidation and misinformation, rather than respecting the Constitution they swore to uphold. Here's the truth. Suspicion is not a crime, public photography is not illegal, and you are never required to show ID unless lawfully detained. Every time we stand up for our rights, we remind law enforcement that power has limits, and the Constitution is not optional. The next time you find yourself in an encounter like this, ask yourself, do I know my rights? And am I willing to defend them? Because if we don't fight for our freedoms today, we might not have them tomorrow.
Level that says garage is for parking only,
Okay.
and it's not for hanging out. You
Okay.
could be arrested for trespassing.
Oh, really?
All
On
right.
public property?
This is town property.
Right, public property.
Yeah, because when we let people do that, look what they do.
Oh, so you're blaming me for...
No, I never blamed you.
So why'd you stop me? I haven't even parked yet.
Okay, I just wanted to let you know.
Just enlighten me on what the thought process of is stopping a citizen as he's driving.
Okay.
I haven't parked. I'm not hanging out.
I'm just letting you know, and I asked you, what are you doing?
Well, you're
What are your
trying to
plans?
like press on me. I'm a police officer, like that's important or something. I
No,
mean, I'm not breaking
it's
the
just-
law, so I don't care if you're a police officer. You're not
Okay.
important to me.
Okay, good.
What was your name? Your badge number again?
I've already told you. You can
Yeah, I'll
can
probably
listen.
go back to it. Okay.
listen to it again on your camera.
Officer Sweet, huh?
Yes.
So I've seen you on YouTube, I think, actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're kind of a jerk, aren't you?
Depends on who you talk to, I guess, right?
Oh, yeah, I guess so. All right. So are we done with this consensual conversation yet? Because I haven't done anything, so
Okay.
I'm not detained right now.
No, you can leave.
I'm going
just
to park
letting
and then
you
I'm
know.
going to walk away. I don't know if that's illegal. Is that illegal? I can do that, right?
Okay.
This is public parking, right?
Yes. Town property, yes. You can-
Public parking, right.
Yes.
It's paid for by the citizens, me.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to park up here and go downtown
So
and enjoy
why are you
everything,
trying to dictate anything that I'm doing right now? I haven't
Ah,
even parked yet,
you're-
so why'd you stop me?
I wanted to let you know.
Why do you feel the need to let me know? Are you like
Are we
the
done?
authority around
Are we
here?
done?
Are you in charge around here?
Are we done?
I mean, I've been done. Are you in charge or something? Do I need to listen to you?
Have a nice night.
You have a wonderful night
Thank
too.
you.
Dumbass.
You're dismissed, Officer Sweet. Go back to work. Earn that paycheck that I pay you for.
Thank you. I appreciate
Go on. Go back to work. You're
I am at
dismissed.
work.
Good. Go back to work. You're dismissed now.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Bye, Felicia. See you later. I mean, I can stand here and record you if you want. That's cool too.
No,
Yeah, it is.
you're hanging out in the garage.
Actually, I'm here with a purpose right now. This is a First Amendment protected activity. I'm filming a police officer in the action of his duties. I'm not. You can't trespass me from public property. Okay, why don't you try it then? Because I'm recording you right now.
What's that?
You are a public official on public property. I'm allowed to record you.
You can, yes.
You wanna
but
play
if
that
you're gonna
game?
Be up here, then you're trespassing.
Then trespass me.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
I don't have to ID. I'm not doing anything wrong.
What's that? You said you're here.
You're going to
to-
be on YouTube right now.
What's that?
Then you know
Okay.
Jenna Brown?
Yeah, I know
Yeah,
Jenna
she's
Brown.
famous. You're going to be next, buddy.
Okay.
You want to ID me right now?
Yeah.
You want
and
to play
I
that
know
game?
You. Okay.
Oh, yeah,
I know
you
you.
know. Yeah, I should
I
have
know
just
you.
let you keep going about what you're doing.
And what is that?
ID me illegally,
I'm not
trespass
IDing you.
me from public property. Are you dumb, dude? I know what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
You're dumb.
All right. Well, if you look at that sign over there, it says garage is for parking only. It's not
Okay.
for hanging out.
I'm parked
you-
right now. I was going to go down, but since you stopped me, now...
I'm not stopping you. I was right here in my car.
Okay,
And
you
then
stopped me.
You decided to stop.
You stuck
yeah,
your
I waved
hand
you
out.
down and
Okay.
asked you. Said, what are your plans? What are
You're
you
right,
doing?
and that's none of your business.
It is if you're
It
just
is
going to be
none of
hanging
your
out.
business.
All right.
Go back to work. You are dismissed, officer. Thank you for your duty. I appreciate what you do, but don't be an asshole, okay? Not doing anything wrong. You know exactly who I am. You know what my name is. Have a good day. You're going to be on YouTube later. Check it out.
Okay. What's the website?
You know what it is. Ask all your other buddies that know, that watch it. Got a couple other officers on there too. So you want to try that again? Trespass from public property, my ID. Yep. I'm filming you right now. As soon as you leave, I don't have a purpose. So you're making me have a purpose right now. You're a genius. And now you're blocking the thoroughfare.
If today's encounters prove anything, it's that police accountability is more important than ever. Too many officers rely on intimidation and misinformation, rather than respecting the Constitution they swore to uphold. Here's the truth. Suspicion is not a crime, public photography is not illegal, and you are never required to show ID unless lawfully detained. Every time we stand up for our rights, we remind law enforcement that power has limits, and the Constitution is not optional. The next time you find yourself in an encounter like this, ask yourself, do I know my rights? And am I willing to defend them? Because if we don't fight for our freedoms today, we might not have them tomorrow.
Okay, so if I call them and they say they didn't, is that the case?
Yeah, they never
actually stated that they asked you to leave and they just
leave what?
leave their property.
Where's their property at?
You're on it right now.
No, we're not.
This is their driveway.
No, it don't matter. But you know better than that.
This is their property.
You know better than that.
And you're sitting over here.
There's an easement, man. You know all that, dude. They got to be somewhere to walk.
Man, I
right? You're trying to bullshit a bullshit. You're not happening today, Chief.
I understand who you are.
It don't matter who I am. I can be saying. I can say it right here.
When I pulled up,
that is the easement too.
You're sitting on the grass, which is taken care of by them, which is on their property.
It don't, Bo. Just because they take care of the grass don't mean it's theirs.
So
I suggest you look at the GIS survey.
You got nothing else better to do than to
that's beside the point. This is what I do. Don't be a jackass now. Don't be a jackass.
You got to call names now?
Don't be. I said don't be one. I didn't call you one, did I?
I'm trying to be polite.
What's your name anyway?
My name's Officer Strong.
Strong?
Spelled like Strachan. Strong.
I got you, man.
What's your name?
Puddentane.
Puddentane?
Puddentane, yeah. Ask me again, I'll tell you the same. You heard of it, right?
No.
Well, now you have.
Okay. What does it mean?
So take that bullshit somewhere else. You know we can stand right here all day long, cuz.
No, you can't.
Watch me.
Okay. Well, let me go talk to them, and if they said, yeah, we came out here and asked you to leave, and we'll have
it don't matter if they told me 100 times to leave. I'm not on their property, Chief.
If you're on the sidewalk,
I suggest get a supervisor out here.
If you're on the sidewalk,
I'm asking for a supervisor.
Okay, call them. Call the
supervisor. No, you call them. I asked for one. I asked for a supervisor.
Okay.
You're not going to get me a supervisor?
No, I'm not going to get you a supervisor.
Okay.
There's no sense in me getting you a supervisor.
Okay, you need to get one so you don't do something stupid.
You obviously understand the law, I guess.
Evidently better than you do about the easement, dude.
Why you got to swear, man?
Because that's what I do. That's what I do. I'm a grown man. I can swear all day. I'm going to tell us this is their property, and you don't even know if it is or not. You hadn't even looked, had you?
Want to know how it works with the driveway? Well, the line goes right straight across like that. And if they pave this, they just donated the money to the state. It's still state property all the way across. And if
like I said, we can stay out here all day.
Okay.
And that power thing's on the property line. That belongs to the power company.
On the property line, which means
the property line's on that side over there. I got the map.
They're not going to put that box on their property.
Why do you guys do this? I don't understand.
Because we can.
Because there's nothing else to do?
Oh, we got plenty to do.
So then why aren't you doing it?
Why you a cop?
Because I actually paid bills with it.
Yeah, well, that's what I do.
I gotta deal with people like you all the time.
People like what? People like me what?
I want to try to set people up.
People try to violate my rights. You're not doing it today, Chief.
There you go. So you want to set me up.
I don't know. You're the one setting yourself up. If you already know what we're doing, then why even come out here?
Because I'm trying to have a conversation with an adult.
No, you're trying to tell me something you don't even know.
You look like an adult.
You're trying to tell me something you don't even know. You have no idea what's going on.
Once you stop,
I suggest you learn. You're going to learn today.
Once you stop that,
you're going to learn today. I guarantee you'll learn today. You're going to learn all today. You're going to get an education today. Just like you talking over me.
Right.
That's right. So I can do it to you then, right? Makes it all fair. Yeah? Go check the property line before you give somebody orders.
The stuff that you have to deal with.
Go check the property line before you give somebody unlawful orders. Chief? Sure.
I'm not being disrespectful to you. You don't have to be disrespectful to me.
Listen, first of all, you don't know who the f*** I am. calling me. All right. So you think you know who I am.
So here's
Take that right there, call, and go do something else today.
Jeffrey.
How about that?
Jeffrey, there's
How about that right there? You see that? You see that right there?
They're First Amendment, Fourth Amendment auditors with the public. They're trying to get us to violate the law.
Food was used by like mine.
Public. They report us all the way. Asking them to get us to go ahead and stop that. It's not against the law. It's just a no.
So I should smile and give you something, right?
That's right.
But no, but I'm not this. You know,
Do that. There you go.
You know what?
Say hey to mom.
I see the orange line.
He already knows. He already knows. He's just trying to be a bully, trying to bully somebody.
As long as you know.
Yeah, you're trying to bully somebody. We already knew before we come out here. Don't you think we looked that up? Don't you think we looked that up? You keep calling my name out like you know who I am.
Yeah, well, I mean, I got you identified.
It don't matter. I don't give a fuck, man. I don't care. I really don't.
All I'm trying to do is.
I don't care. I really don't care what you got to do. I don't care what you think. I have no. It don't matter no difference to me.
I know.
It don't.
I know.
So, like I said, take that with you and go do something productive today. We don't pay you for nothing.
I'm trying to do.
We don't pay you for
You
nothing.
don't pay me at all.
Go back to work. You don't think I pay taxes?
No.
Absolutely do.
Not where I live anyway.
I guarantee you I do.
Listen.
You think you
as
know
long
what
as
you're
you stay
talking
off
about.
this
Hey, we
property,
don't need to hear that.
as long as
We
you're
already
not walking
know. We
around
already
the
know what
highway,
we're doing.
this is a
So you're
public
not
street.
telling nobody nothing. Don't eat yellow snow. Don't kick your dog. Don't
This
beat
is
your
a public
wife.
street, so don't block it.
Yes,
Thank you.
I'll sit out here and dance the f***ing jig all day, baby. So kiss it. Kiss it.
If today's encounters prove anything, it's that police accountability is more important than ever. Too many officers rely on intimidation and misinformation, rather than respecting the Constitution they swore to uphold. Here's the truth. Suspicion is not a crime, public photography is not illegal, and you are never required to show ID unless lawfully detained. Every time we stand up for our rights, we remind law enforcement that power has limits, and the Constitution is not optional. The next time you find yourself in an encounter like this, ask yourself, do I know my rights? And am I willing to defend them? Because if we don't fight for our freedoms today, we might not have them tomorrow.